Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a shower cartridge in your shower. So first you want to do is go ahead and turn off your main water line. And also on top of that, you want to empty out all the water out of like a kitchen faucet or something before you start this, or the shower is going to be spraying water for quite a while. So once we do that, take your Allen wrench. Ours is a 1/8. Ours happens to be a 1/8 inch. And just unscrew it just a little bit so you can take the handle off. And as you can see, you don't need to unscrew it all the way because if you do, you might lose it down the drain, so you don't need to do that. Go ahead and take the throat off here. So I just use a latex glove, but if you have like one of those rubber strips in the kitchen for a jar opener, that works really well as well. Once you unscrew that, as you see, there's a little bit of water that came out still. So once you unscrew that, then you can get the cartridge out. Go ahead and find the proper cartridge. So I'll have a link to this one in the description. And then as you can see, this one mounts up with those two nubs at the top. And this particular one happens to be like a T shape. So find the right one and then go ahead and everything is in reverse order. So go ahead and put the new cartridge in, make sure those nubs at the top are mounted correctly. So that's why I'm twisting it to make sure it's mounted. And then put your throat back on and twist that back on. And what I did is I held the unit with my thumb there and twisted that way it doesn't, come out of place and like unseats basically. So there could be a leak. So hold that for a little bit until you get the throat started, and then you don't really need to do that. Tighten your throat, and then go ahead and use your rubber strip, or in my case, the latex glove, to make it fully tight. And then once we've done that, then all you need to do is just put the handle back on. So by not taking the Allen screw out, it makes this part a little bit easier too, because then you don't have to like put it through the hole and try and find the threading. It's already there. Just mount it, just screw basically, and that's it. And just make it snug. It doesn't need to be super tight. Once you've done that, that's it. And then just test it to make sure that it's, moves in the right way. And that's it. So hope that helped.